Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Take Profit Trade Management mode. Please note, it is recommended that this tutorial is viewed after watching the Trade Management Tool video tutorial, which provides an overview of the Trade Management Tool and the trade management options provided. The Trade Management Tool provides several automated trade management modes, one of which is the Take Profit mode. The Take Profit mode can be configured for both live and MT pending zone trades. For this demonstration, let's select to manage the live Aussie dollar trade running under the GKFX Forex install by clicking on the corresponding entry on the grid and selecting the Manage Trade option. Now let's select the Take Profit mode with the prompts option enabled to provide setup instructions. When the Take Profit mode is selected, a message is displayed asking the user to confirm the selected Trade Management mode option and to remind them that any other trade management modes in use will be superseded. In doing so, the Take Profit mode panel is enabled, allowing the user to set up the Take Profit levels as required. The Take Profit mode supports the option to move the stop loss when the Take Profit level is reached. The lot size currently available is displayed in the bottom left of the Take Profit mode panel, in this case 9.6. The trade risk in terms of the percentage of the trade bank and the deposit currency are displayed to the right, in this case 2% and £200. There are a maximum of 3 Take Profit or TP levels supported at any one time, and they must be set up in order. So let's set up the TP1 level to close out 1/3 of the trade by selecting the appropriate amount from the trade size drop-down list, in this case 3.2. Then click the Set button below. Since the prompts option has been enabled, a message is displayed to inform and instruct the user on how to set up the Take Profit levels on the chart. On clicking the OK button, TP1 level box will be coloured red until the TP1 level has been set, at which point it will change to green. A blue line has been drawn on the chart, which is used to set the required Take Profit level, such that when price reaches it, the required amount of the trade will be closed out. So let's do this now by dragging the blue line to the required TP level and double clicking to activate it. Should the TP level placement be set to an invalid level, such as below the entry level for a buy trade, the blue line will fail to activate and a message will be displayed in the top left corner of the chart to inform the user, as shown. If the TP level placement is set above the current Take Profit level, a message will be displayed informing the user to either set it below the current Take Profit level or modify the current Take Profit level such that it is above the TP level. When the level has been set correctly, a short horizontal line is drawn onto the chart, labelled with the ticket and TP level number, in this case TP1. The Take Profit lot size is shown in brackets. The line will be coloured blue for a buy trade and light salmon for a sell trade. The corresponding box in the Take Profit panel has changed from red to green and the TP1 level is displayed. The TP1 lot size and trade bank percentage are shown in brackets above. Now that the TP1 level has been set up, the TP2 levels in the Take Profit panel have been enabled should they be required. The available lot size has been automatically updated to display the amount remaining from the original lot size, in this case 6.4. And the trade risk in terms of the percentage of the trade bank and the deposit currency has been updated accordingly. Now let's set up a second Take Profit level to close out a further third of the trade and in conjunction move the stop loss. So firstly, let's enable the TP2 stop loss by checking the box alongside. Then select 3.2 from the trade size drop-down list and click the Set button. As before, a message is displayed to inform and instruct the user on how to set up the take profit levels on the chart. On clicking the OK button, the TP2 level and stop loss boxes will be coloured red until they have been set, at which point they will change to green. This time, two lines have been drawn on the chart, one blue and one red line. The blue line is used as before to set the required take profit level, and the red line is used to set the corresponding stop loss level. So let's first drag the blue line to the required TP level and double click to activate it. Again, should the TP level placement be set to an invalid level, the blue line will fail to activate and a message will be displayed in the top left corner of the chart to inform the user. When the level has been set correctly, a short horizontal line is drawn onto the chart, labelled with the ticket and TP2 level number, with the take profit lot size shown in brackets. The corresponding box in the take profit panel has changed from red to green and the TP2 level is displayed. Now let's drag the red line to the required TP2 stop loss level and double click to activate it. Should the TP2 stop loss placement be set to an invalid level, such as above the current take profit level for a buy trade, the red line will fail to activate and a message will be displayed to inform the user. If the TP2 stop loss level placement is set below the current stop loss level, a message will be displayed informing the user to set it above the current stop loss level. When the level has been set correctly, a short red horizontal line is drawn onto the chart, labelled with the ticket and TP level number, in this case TP2. The corresponding box in the take profit panel has changed from red to green and the TP2 stop loss level is displayed. Now that the TP2 levels have been set up, the TP3 levels in the take profit panel have been enabled should they be required. The TP levels displayed on the chart will automatically move forward in time as the trade progresses. When price reaches the TP2 level, the stop loss will be automatically moved to the corresponding TP2 stop loss level. The Trade Console has been updated to display the trade management mode that has been applied in the TM mode column, in this case TP mode. At any time while the trade is still live and before the trade management levels have been executed, the user can reselect the Manage Trade option and use the Reset button to cancel the applied trade management mode. A message is displayed asking the user to confirm the trade management reset, and on doing so, all applied TP levels are removed from the chart and the Take Profit panel is disabled. The Trade Console has been updated to reflect this change such that the TM mode column has been cleared. Now let's reselect to manage the live Aussie dollar trade running under the GKFX Forex install. This time, let's select the Take Profit mode with the prompts option disabled, but enable the TP levels to be shown on multiple timeframes. The M5 box is already enabled since the trade was taken on that time frame and cannot be disabled, as shown. If the user wishes to display the trade management levels on any of the other time frames, they must be enabled before the trade management levels are set up on the chart. Let's enable the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames by checking the corresponding boxes. Again, let's set up two take profit levels and move the stop loss when the price reaches the TP2 level. Notice that since the prompts option has been disabled, there are no setup instructions being displayed. Now when the TP levels have been set up, they are automatically shown on the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames and are adjusted accordingly. The chart button in the information panel can be used to switch back to display the trade on the time frame that it was taken, in this case the 5 minute. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.